Sheesh. Oh, bro, what the? It's so wet. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I don't have much planned, but I just felt like kind of making a video today because I haven't posted in a couple days. Update on the house, if you guys have been following along. We have done all the upstairs walls and we started on the roof beams. Today in this video, we're actually going to go check out a new house we just got. So yeah, we've been building this house, but my parents, they live down south in Albany, if you guys know where that is. And they have been wanting to move up here, I think, or to have a nice house up here so they can come up here, then go down there whenever they want. This was mainly gonna be that house. They were gonna live up here in the upstairs area where I am right now. But things have changed and they found a really nice house and they had a lot of money saved up because we sold our house down south where I used to live before I moved up here. So we had a lot of money saved up, and I think they told me that having lots of money in the bank, they weren't getting a lot of interest. So they said it was better off having money in a house, and they found a house they really like, so they went ahead and bought it. And obviously they didn't buy it like outright, they had to get a loan. My dad is a self-employed builder, that's how we're building this house. And my mum is just like a full-time retailer. They make their money through real estate and they've been doing it for years, since I was a child. I think they're really smart and that's how they're able to afford stuff like this and another house. I love my parents. I'm really proud of them. They've done so much for me and I'm just very grateful to have the life that I live now. So I think we are installing a new roof next week because this is getting out of hand. This is just wet like everywhere. It's so bad. It was leaking into our house. As you can see, it gets all the way down in here, and that's where we live, just in there in this back area. I'm actually moving into this new house until this place is done, and I'll be moving back into here. That new house that I'm showing you guys today, that will be their house, but I'm just moving in there because I am sick of living in this construction site that gets wet whenever it rains. And guys, we have also put a new part on the WRX. I'm really sorry I didn't make a video on it. I was planning to, but when it came to the day, I just did not feel like filming and I was being really lazy. I'm really disappointed in myself and I'm sorry that I didn't get a video out. But here is the new part. It is, as you can tell, for the rear end, my new fog light down here. It is no longer red. I got a whole new one, swapped it out, and it is black, and I think it looks a lot cleaner and really matches the whole grill bit down there. Big shout out to Bailey, or Rexy AU, who's been in some of my videos, for helping me out and doing all the wiring. You're a legend. Go follow him on Instagram, guys, right here. So I'll just quickly show you guys what it actually looks like. This is how it looks. It's got a really cool rectangle down there, LED rectangle. It also has reverse light and the brake light. You know what, let me just show you guys. Yeah, I reckon it looks pretty good. And yeah guys, if you want to see little updates and stuff you don't see on the channel, then go follow my Instagram. We're actually really close to 1,000 followers, so go follow me on there. I post reels, photos, and all this type of stuff. So yeah, go follow me on there. Looks so much better. It looks way more aggressive, man. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. My car is absolutely filthy right now. Damn. That is so clean, bro. Okay guys, we are here. Oh, I wonder if I can fit in there. I'll give it a go, hold on. Well, hello. So here's the house, guys. Nice little place. I really like the garage, and his dad. Car looks nice in there. Damn. I can actually jack up my car now because at my other house, the driveway's on an angle. But here, it's all flat. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the house. So here we have the garage, where hopefully I'll be making some cool videos of my friends coming up from down south or my friends up in Perth. And we'll hopefully have this garage filled with cars and even on the driveway out there. This is the little front yard. It is so beautiful, it's nice and private. There's a really nice porch or veranda out the front here they could have a coffee at and just sit out here and enjoy all this. Alright, so we enter the front door. If you're wondering why there's a washing machine there, I am here with Dad moving some stuff from the other house into this one so we can get ready to live in it for a while. Got this really nice chandelier that is so close to my head. And I think this is the room I'll be staying in. As you can see the Subi out here. But we will be fixing this because there's no blinds, it's just these see-through curtains. Although it would be nice to be able to see my car, but I need privacy, so this is gonna be my room, I think. Here is my bathroom. Oh, that's cool. Got a really big storage space in here. We've got these awesome hardwood floors. So beautiful. Hello. 2 basins, a bath, toilet, and a really nice looking shower. Now this is the master bedroom. Where's the light? Oh, I don't know why it's on the outside. This room is massive, like, I'll just come over here. Guys, wait till you see the master bedroom ensuite. This is bloody insane. Oh my gosh, does this... Oh, no. This one. There we go. Yeah, toilet, a bath. That is a shower and another one right there. What the hell? I wish this was my bathroom. This is so cool. Got another bedroom here. Not bad. Oh guys, just get a load of this view. Oh, fences, just, you love to see it. Okay, we move on to the kitchen. Whoa. There are a lot of switches, I'm just gonna turn them all on. There's a cool like sunlight right there. So yeah, this is like, oh, this is for my dad, he can keep all his wine bottles here. I don't know why the oven's up on there, don't even ask me why. Damn. Here's the lounge room. It's actually got surround sound, so maybe it'd be cool if we could connect that. Dining table and a backyard. I want to show you guys the backyard. Here's the backyard. It's so pretty. Got these cool ceiling fans. Gonna get a nice table out here. Look at this huge ass palm tree in the back as well. But we got so much space for stuff out here. I think eventually we want to get a pool, but there's also a little shed. This thing is just humongous. You already know, guys, we've got to hit a flip for the video. Shut up! Ah. I love that tree. Yeah, that's fighting. Oh, my dad just farted, bro. Good place to store the car parts. It looks so nice. And this is a little powder room, the toilet and a mirror, and the laundry where we just hung the dryer on the washing machine. And that just goes back outside. Alright guys, so that was the house. Hope you guys enjoyed that little tour. I'm kind of feeling like a little coffee right now and a little snack maybe from Macca's. So I'm gonna head to Macca's right now and you guys can come with me. Damn, look what just pulled up. Yo, that's clean. Oh, car's looking so good now. Okay, I got my food. I'm so fat, but I'm so hungry. Okay guys, I'm home. I'm just gonna kind of relax for a bit and enjoy my Macca's. Was not expecting that, but even look at that. McDonald's bag. Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. What?
2 hours later.
Just chilled for a little bit and had my Maccas. I'm just gonna do the outro. I really wanted to get a video out for you guys, that's why I filmed this today. I'm hoping to get out some more videos soon. Let me know in the comments any video ideas you guys want to see. I'm always open to new content, so let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more down below. And while you're down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Really motivates me and makes me want to keep doing YouTube and keep putting out videos for you guys. I love the feedback. Text me on Instagram, comment, whatever. I love hearing from you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.